Level up your outbound calling efforts to transform your calling with Retell AI, Make, and Ghl. This tutorial will show you how to unlock streamlined and automated outbound calls. To get started, we use Make to build your workflow by connecting the elements of this automated process. You'll have a solid base for automated calls and seamless workflow. Add 3 modules to your scenario. First, determine your data source module with your contact information from a Google Sheet, CSV file, or the Ghl CRM. Next, select the Retell AI module to orchestrate all of your outbound calls with one click. Integrate your API key and set up your outbound call settings. Configure these options: the from number, the agent script, etc. Test these settings to make sure everything is connected correctly and to get a successful outbound call. Finally, add the Ghl module to complete your workflow. Then, create a contact or update an existing one. Map the information from your initial data source and the Retell module with the client contact form in Ghl to ensure a log in your CRM is created and client information is updated. Test your entire scenario with a sample data point. Watch as Make automates your process, automatically dialing through Retell and then updating your contact logs within Ghl. You can save time and track call performance seamlessly.